welcome back to another video. This is Theresa M, aka 50 Plus 2013. Today I'm going to be bringing you a video, just the start of the process of getting ready for Christmas. So I will be going in the living room shortly and finding the spot I want to put the tree up, and then pulling the tree out of storage and putting it up. The first things I need to do is to clear out all of the piles of organized mess that I have going on in the living room, and I'll probably insert a clip of what that looks like, because it's like a neat mess, but it needs to come out if I'm going to start decorating the living room and kitchen for Christmas. I am in the bedroom right now because the last couple of nights I have been forcing myself to sleep in the bed. I'm trying to train myself back into the bed and off the couch, and so far last night and the night before last, it felt really good sleeping in the bed. So I feel like I'm on a roll to get back sleeping in the bed. It's been like over a year, almost 2 years since the last time I actually slept in my bed. So I've been sleeping on the couch for all that time. I love sleeping on the couch just as much as I love water. So it's not like I have to, I just love sleeping on the couch. But my back really just can't take it anymore. So yeah. So besides the fact that I'm working my way of sleeping in the bedroom, I wanted to acknowledge the fact that you've been seeing videos up lately, and those prior videos, you can tell some of them were kind of dated back, just maybe based on the background or because it was summertime or before daylight savings. But since my sister passed, it was really difficult for me to just film how I normally would film. So basically I was able to use videos that I filmed before that I thought I was not going to ever upload, or time passed or the season passed, and it just wasn't it didn't make sense to upload them. But it's a lot of hard work and time consuming to make videos, so I used the time that I couldn't film due to my sister passing and just uploaded a lot of videos. So those were the videos you were seeing. But at this point on, we should be current with the videos in the right season, the right months, or what have you, because I do film twice a week and I put up videos on Wednesdays and Sundays. Okay, and then after I go and try to find the spot that I want to put the tree up in, I'm going to pull the tree out of storage, go on my balcony, pull in all the tubs that I have with Christmas ornaments, Christmas boxes, Christmas packaging, just everything Christmas related. And since around my birthday, we always, as a family tradition, put up the tree, give or take, days leading up to my birthday. I usually will see all of my kids in some form or fashion. So I'm hoping that I would have all the stuff presented where it would inspire them to look at the ornaments, decorations, storage bins, boxes, and ask if they can have stuff. I really secretly want to declutter all of this stuff, and it would be great if they take some home. And it's kind of like heirloom situation. It's things that they grew up seeing me put on a tree. Now they can take it to their home and just cherish it, and so on. But I just want to get rid of the clutter. So that's all I wanted to say in this clipping, and here on out we should be back on track. And I just want to also just include, before I click off this clip, and say thank you so much for praying for me and my family. I definitely felt the prayers, and just keep my niece in prayer, and thank you again for your prayers. All right, see you on the next clip. I'm going to take a break and take these eye mask off because they're sweating. I'm going to go off camera because this is filthier than I thought. So I'm not going to waste all the battery trying to film this. Normally I have the second shelf with drinks because this top shelf would like kind of be the stuff you grab when you're cooking and stuff. So I'm going to put all the drinks back there. And I've already wiped these down. I didn't even know I had 4 Olipops. Thought I had way more than this. But anyways. And these are just bottles of water. So, let's see. Yeah, I don't normally put creamer or anything on the door. So that, basically. Wow, got a little. So there it is, all cleaned out. I just bought that whipped cream at Target yesterday, or the other day, or when did I buy that? Oh, so I actually have more to put in the fridge. These drinks here. Got this that I'm gonna put in the fridge. 4 Perriers and all of the Slim Fast. Down there is just, I still have my lipsticks from being in there over the summer, and then I have 3 beauty products, and then this is how we're gonna leave it, I guess, because there's no reason to fool with anything else, because putting those in the back, because usually I feel like if it's just me and left up to me, the back of the freezer kind of keeps things really cold, and that's what I need. Maybe I'll push that back too. I'm going to put them back down at the bottom. It's a biscuit, needs to get eaten, and these are drinks. Yeah, So that's all drinks. So we have Harvest, Harmless Harvest, Slim Fast, Perrier, a dupe for Red Bull, some vinegar with the mother, some pure lemon juice, and then some Java. And up here, I already looked at the expiration dates, so we just have some ketchup, some Torani's, what do you call it, caramel sauce, pickles, relish, mustard, jelly, grape jelly, two things of salad dressing, and some tomato paste. This is the next thing to get expired, or claims to be expired. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna need to wash the bottom of these things because they're making a mess again. All right, see you on the next clip.